November to November, me I don't mind no calendar.
Hello everyone, please you are all welcome to today's tutorial on cloud storage or cloud-based storage. In this section, we will explore what cloud storage is, its benefits, and how you can use popular cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive to store and share your files securely. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to confidently store, access, and share your files from anywhere on any device. Let's dive in. Please, before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a device with a web browser. Also, you can drop your questions in the comment section. I will read and I will attend to you later. Okay, so let's start. So, as we said earlier, you'll be talking about cloud-based storage. So, by the end of this lesson too, you will be able to define what a cloud-based storage is as well. We didn't say that. So here we are saying that a cloud-based storage is a secure computing environment consisting of a set of remote servers that users access via the internet. So here there are certain keywords that you have to take notice to. I said it's a secure computing environment consisting of a set of remote servers that users access via the internet. So here we have servers, we have the internet, and we have a computing environment. So let's move on to some examples of cloud storage. Remember that in my introduction, I made mention I made mention of some of the examples, but you'll get to know more. So here, one example is ZipCloud. We have the iDrive, we have the Google Drive, we have the iCloud, we have the Mediafire, we have the Dropbox. Like, you can search for more. We have many of them. But our focus, or here, we are considering 9 free cloud storage that everyone here, by the end of this lesson, we should know. So the first thing, we'll be talking about Mega. So Mega is one of the examples of cloud storage. So with this particular cloud storage, it offers 50 gigabytes free. You are not paying anything. Although we'll be talking about some instances that you'll be paying, but with this one, that one is free, 50 gigabytes. We also talk about Google Drive. That one is offers 15 gigabytes free. We have the Mediafire, 10 gigabytes free. We have the pCloud, 10 gigabytes free as well. We have the Ice Drive, that one too, 10 gigabytes free. We have the OneDrive, 5 gigabytes free. We also have the iCloud. With the iCloud, I believe most of us we've heard about it, especially the iPhone users. Most of us we've heard about the iCloud, but we don't know what it entails, or we don't know much about it. So what we know is that the iCloud is used for syncing across Apple devices like notes, passwords, and even Safari tabs. And it also has the Find My feature for locating lost devices and lets you share files, folders easily. And also we know that the iCloud backups can save you in a pinch. But here we are saying that iCloud is Apple's cloud storage service or services that lets you store files, photos, contacts, and more across all your Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, Mac. Is that okay? So we can say that it syncs your stuff automatically, so you can access them anywhere. Think of it like the iCloud is a digital locker for your Apple life. Okay, so let's also consider the Google Drive, because we'll be talking much about the Google Drive. That's where our practical section starts. So here we are saying that the Google Drive is part of Google Workspace, integrates well with Docs, which is the documents, sheets, slides, great for collaboration, cross-platform. So we made mention of Docs, sheets, slides. As for those ones, we'll be talking about it in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe, follow for more. Yes, but here our main focus is on how to access and use the Google Drive. So let's start. So as I said earlier, we said you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and a device with a web browser, because you'll be doing some kind of 1 or 2 practicals here. And if maybe you don't understand anything or you are baffling with anything, you can just drop your comments in the comment section. I'll get to you and I'll answer you. Thank you. So let's move on. So here you have to, this one is in 2 folds. Those using the iPhone, the Apple users, and those using Android. So let's start with the Android. With the Android users, you have to go to your Play Store. And if you are using Apple too, you can go to your Apple Store. Then when you go to your Play Store or Apple Store, you just click on it. Yes. So where you can see the search button, click on the search button and type Google Drive. Google Drive. Then search for the Google Drive. So for me, I'm having it already. I've already installed it on my device. So they're asking me to update, but I'm not updating it. So if you don't have it, you see install. Those of us using the Android, you see the install, and those using Apple, you see get. So you have to click on it. After downloading, you come back. Then you come and search for Google Drive. Google Drive. Sorry. Yes, I'm having my Google Drive here. So after installing, you search for the Google Drive. So it's because this one is running slow, but it will come. Is our the interface or the background of the Google Drive. When you open it, this is what you are going to see. For those of us who just downloaded it here, you won't see anything here. Here will be blank. This space will be blank because I already have it. I've used it, so I'm having these kind of things here. So for you, you are not going to see anything here. So let's start with some features of it. So here at the top, we have search in Drive. Here is used to search for the items that you've uploaded in the Google Drive. So at the top left corner, you can see 3 horizontal lines. Let's click on it. Here we do have the recent, we have the uploads, we have the offline, we have bin, we have spam, we have settings, we have help and feedback, we have storage. And you see below the horizontal line, you can see 105.7 megabytes of 15 gigabytes used. As for you, those who just downloaded it, you see 0.0 megabytes of 15 gigabytes used. Meaning, as we said earlier, that this one, it offers 15 gigabytes free. For me, because I'm having it, I've used part of it. Okay, so here too, you see get more storage. As for that one, we are not talking about it now. As I said there will be an instance that you pay. If you want to extend your storage, you can extend it from 15 gigabyte to whatever gigabyte that you want. As for that one, you are going to pay. Okay, so let's get back to. So also we'll be looking at the plus sign here. So when you click on the plus sign, you see Google Slides. You see in the definition of the Google Drive, we saw something as something like the slides. We saw sheets. We saw docs. Yes, they are all here. But with these ones, you have to click on it, and it will send you back to your Play Store or your App Store for you to download it. And that one will become another or a different app. And even you can access it in on your web browser without downloading it. But me, I prefer downloading them onto my, or I prefer installing them onto my device. So we are not talking about that one now. Here we have upload. We have folder. Yes, you'll be looking at those ones. So since we are new here, you'll be clicking on folder, because when you are saving document files or pictures on your computer, you have to create a folder. Is that not it? Because we say a folder is used to store files, isn't it? So here we have the untitled folder. Sorry, we have the untitled folder. So you can rename it. So let's rename the untitled folder, or the folder, to Ghana, or in caps. So here you click on create. So I've created, no, let me rename it. Sorry, I already have Ghana there. So let me do it Africa. Africa. So you can name it with any name that you want, any title that you want. Yes, I've named mine Africa. So let's get back to the home. You see the home button? Yes. So here, under there, we have the home, we have the start, we have the shared, we have the files. Okay. So let's click on the plus sign again, and let's click on the upload. So here, we are coming to upload a picture. You can upload anything. You can upload images, audios, videos, document, large files, everything. You see the things that I'm scrolling here. Yes, you can upload them. So you can upload from your gallery, your my files, everything. So here, since we'll be uploading pictures, I'll be going to my gallery. So here, I'll select any picture of my choice. So you too, you can do same. We are firstly uploading pictures. So since I'm a Barcelona fan, let me select the Barcelona GC. Yes. So you'll click on done. You can select multiple pictures at the same time. Yes. So you see here we have the file name for the GC that I selected. We have the location. And one thing that you have to note, you see, whenever that you are saving you are saving an item on your computer, even either being a file, a document, it will ask for the location. Same thing is done here. Yes, we do same thing as such. So here you click on the location, then you select the folder. And do you remember that I named my folder Africa. So you select on the Africa, then you click on the highlighted select here, the blue, the one, let's say after the cancel, you can see select here. Yes, you click on that one, it will bring you back. And one thing that we didn't talk about, before that you can access the Google Drive, you have to log in either using your phone number or your email. So for me, I use my email. So you can see you have to get a Google account. So me, I have multiple Google accounts, but I'm using this one, the third one. So here too, if you haven't done it, please go back, or if you are not able to do that one, I think you have to do that one before you can access it. Sorry for not saying it, but you can go back and do that before you go through the steps that we've spoken about. Yes. So here you see at the top right corner, you see uploaded. Then you click on upload. Here, yes. We are done. We've done uploading it. So whenever you want to upload anything here, you can just go to the upload. Then you select whatever that you want to upload, either images, audio, and you can create multiple folders too. Yes, like what you can go through that same steps. Yes, here too. So we have it. Let's go back. You can create another folder. Yes. So let's create another folder. Let's name it. I'm naming mine OBS, or in caps. Yes. Then I'll come back here. Sorry. Let's go back. Let's go back. Sorry. So I'll come back here. I'll click on the upload. For now, I'm coming to upload. I'm coming to upload a video. Or no, let's say a document. Sorry, a document for my files. Oh, I don't have any documents here. So let me go back. Okay, so let's click on the upload again. Okay. Yes. So I have a document here. So you can see the document name, the file name, Office Suite. Yes. So let's select the location. The one that we just created, I named it OBS. Then I click on the select again, then upload. So after uploading, you can go to that folder you created, OBS, to see if maybe the item is there. So it's still uploading. So here, sorry. Yes, so we are done uploading it. So we can go to our folder here. You see the OBS. You can see the file is here, Office Suite. Yes, so that's how we upload items in our, to our Google Drive. It's not all that difficult. It's very, very easy. It's very, very easy. Yes. So first, I said you create a folder. After creating the folder,